Although I knew they'd laid him low, thrashed him, hung him out to dry, had tortured him with water and with fire, then dashed his brains out on a stone, I saw him in the 7 stars and in the plough. I saw him in the crescent moon and in the beehive and the barley mow. My green man, newly born, alive, John Barleycorn. I saw him seasonally at harvest time in the wheat sheaf and the load of hay. I saw him, heard his laughter in the star and garter, in the fountain, in the bell, the corn dolly, the woolpack, and the flowing spring. I saw him in the rising sun, the moon and sixpence, and the evening star. I saw him in the rose and crown, my green man, ancient, barely born, John Barleycorn. He moved through Britain, bright and dark like ale in glass. I saw him run across the fields towards the gamekeeper, the poacher, and the blacksmith's arms. He knew the ram, the lamb, the lion and the swan, white hart, blue boar, red dragon, fox and hounds. I saw him in the 3 goats' heads, the black bull and dun cow, shoulder of mutton, griffin, unicorn, green man, beer born, good health, long life, John Barleycorn. I saw him festively when people sang for victory, or love, or New Year's Eve, in the raven and the bird in hand, the golden eagle, the kingfisher, the dove. I saw him grieve or mourn, a shadow at the bar. And the falcon, the marsh harrier, the sparrowhawk, the barn owl, cuckoo, heron, nightingale. A pint of bitter and the jenny wren for my green man, alone, forlorn, John Barleycorn. Britain's soul, as the crow flies, so flew he. I saw him in the holly bush, the yew tree, the royal oak, the ivy bush, the linden. I saw him in the forester, the woodman. He, history, I saw him in the Wellington, the Nelson, Marquis of Granby, wicked lady, bishop's finger. I saw him in the ship, the golden fleece, the flask, the railway inn, the Robin Hood and Little John, my green man, legend strong, reborn, John Barleycorn. Scythe down, he crawled, knelt, stood. I saw him in the crow, newt, stag, all weathers, noon or night. I saw him in the feathers, salutation, navigation, not, the bricklayer's arms, hop in, the maypole and the regiment, the horse and groom, the dog and duck, the flag. And where he supped, the past lived still, and where he sipped, the glass brimmed full. He was in the king's head and queen's arms. I saw him there, green man, well-born, spellbound, charming one, John Barleycorn.